Todd. 2012 GMC Sierra bumper project part 2. Have the bumper off, use the videos from some of the other guys on YouTube. I took the time and basically found every piece of metal I could in the front end and sanded, primed, and painted. Just one of those things, if you're here, you might as well do it. Again, 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. The reason I had to take the bumper off, you can walk over with me, is because this is all the rust that was on the bumper. A lot of the parts that were holding the bumper arm needed to be sanded and painted as well. So part 3, I will show you the finished product and if there's any tips on getting it back together.